This video will show you how to use the solfege tracking sheet in Oral Theory 3. In the course calendar of assignments, you will notice that in week 5 it says to complete tracking sheet number 1, 2 lines in treble clef. To do this, you're going to first find the tracking sheet, which is located under the Lessons tab in Angel. That would be right here. It's a PDF file that you can download to your computer, or you can read it off the screen, but it's probably best to print it off so you have it physically and can practice it. Here you will find a number 1 at the top of the page, followed by 2 lines of notes. You will notice there is no specified clef. This allows you to practice naming solfege syllables, envisioning a number of different clefs with the same exercises. So for exercise number 1, it involves only the intervals of seconds. Exercise number 2 adds in intervals of thirds. Exercise number 3 adds in intervals of fourths, but also contains thirds and seconds, and so on. Your first assignment says to do 2 lines of exercise 1 in treble clef. When using the tracking sheet, we are going to switch over to a fixed do system. This means that C will always be do, D will always be re, and so on. Thus, if we think of the first line in treble clef, the first note would be an A with the solfege syllable la. And you would say la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, and so on. And you would do both line 1 and line 2. Your pace does not need to be fast, but it should be steady. Once you complete that for Unit 5, and you get to Unit 6, the instructions there, I'll show you, says to do tracking sheet number 1, 2 lines, but do it in bass clef. So we're going to be doing the same items, line 1 and 2, doing the intervals of seconds, but now we're going to think of it as bass clef. In bass clef, this first note would be a C, which would be the solfege syllable do. So you'd say do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, and so on. Then for Unit 7, you're going to also do the same first 2 lines. Unit 7 says do tracking sheet number 1, 2 lines, but do it in alto clef. In alto clef, this first note is T, or the letter B. So solfege syllable T would be T, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, do, and so on. So you're going to follow the instructions on the course calendar to know which exercises to do and which clefs to apply. So let me know if you have any questions.